English lessons for a person with reading and writing knowledge.
Introduction. A person with professional education generally have been learning English for up to 8 years during his education. After this education, the person is generally able to read and write English. The main problem they face most of the time is to hold a conversation with someone in person, especially with a person who speaks native English. To fill this gap, it is advised to practice talking to a native English-speaking person for as long as possible. To make the learning more interesting, it is important to address specific topics of interest for the student. Following are some of the topics of interest for most people. Job interview conversations. When applying for a job for a big company, normally the selection process involves interviews with several people, sometimes up to 5 interviews are scheduled. Technical vocabulary for one specific career. For instance, mechanical engineers use a vocabulary with many words that are specific for this particular branch of engineering. They use words like strain, stresses, fatigue, laminar and turbulent flow, engines, piston rings, crankshaft, camshaft, just to mention a few of the many career-specific words for this branch. If they get a job in a U.S. company, they will be using these terms on a daily basis. This is why it is important for them to learn the correct pronunciation of these terms before they start working for a company.
Daily routine conversations. In this category fall the following topics among many more: food-related, real estate renting, leasing and buying properties, public transportation, clothing, conversation greetings, grammar, spelling, weather,